Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. How to download offline map. Okay, so click to start button, go to setting, all country offline map available. Click to app and offline app map. Okay, so download map. You can change location if your C drive full, means come space are there available, and so you can change to other, because I have only C drive, so you can change it. There are many available, so you change it. Okay, and also you can update the map. Okay, and map download. Click to map download, which is your like Africa, Asia, Australia, Europe, and which ones? So like Asia, so Afghanistan, Bangladesh, India, Hong Kong, Indonesia, is Israel, Kuwait. So this one, so like Sri Lanka, Taiwan, Thailand. So you can just click and click to download. Okay, simple step. And then 1 to 3 months ago you can update. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video. Have any issues, so please comment me, I will fastly reply you. Okay, bye bye, take care.